Hiya, it's Kevin here again. In this short video, we're going to take a look at the notes found on the bass clef. So here we go. Here we see the bass clef with the bass clef sign here at the start of the piece of music. The notes on the lines for the bass clef are G, starting with the bottom line, moving up to B, moving up to D, which is the middle line, moving up to F, and then moving up to A on the top line. We can use the phrase "go buy donuts for Al" to help us to remember those lines. It is also worth noting that the two dots here, which form part of the bass clef sign, surround or either side of this line, which is the F note. So the bass clef is sometimes known as the F clef. And once we know where the note F is, we are able to work out where all of the other notes are. Now, if we look at the notes found within the spaces for the bass clef, we see that from the bottom upwards we have A, C, E, and then G at the very top. We can use the phrase "all cows eat grass" to help us remember these notes. If we put the notes on the lines and the notes in the spaces together, we can see the full bass clef written on the stave. The notes running G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A. You'll see that the notes run alphabetically as normal. Sometimes we need more notes than are available to us on the stave to enable us to notate notes that are higher or lower. To do this, we use short horizontal lines, which we call ledger lines, and use these to place our notes. Here we can see ledger lines beneath the stave, allowing us to write lower notes. And here we can see ledger lines rising above the stave so that we can write higher notes. You'll see that in both cases, the note names continue to run alphabetically. I have also particularly identified here the note C as being middle C on the piano keyboard. So there you go, the notes on the bass clef. See you in the next one.